excessive rainfall is expected. Where? A portion of west central Pennsylvania, including the following counties: Indiana and southeastern Jefferson, Pennsylvania. When? Until 1 p.m. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Numerous roads remain closed due to flooding. Additional details: at 9:59 a.m., Doppler radar indicated generally light rain over the warning area. Flooding is already occurring in the warned area due to runoff from earlier heavy rain. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Indiana, Punxsutawney, Homer City, Blairsville, Black Lick, Clymer, Big Run, Chevy Chase Heights, Rossiter, Seward, Ernest, Marion Center, Creekside, Glen Campbell, Armagh, Dixonville, Commodore, Lucerne Mines, Brush Valley, and Rochester Mills. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Weather message.